Hi there, this is George from Pressure Designs, and today I'm going to be going over the weather stack. The weather stack enables you to display real-time weather for any location of your choosing. This can be a great resource for your business to show the current weather and a link to a future forecast for your users to check. Before I go in depth into the features of the stack, I'm going to give a quick guide on how to get started. After inserting the stack onto your stacks page, go down to the settings and enter the location you'd like to display the weather for. Then go down and select what information you'd like to display. Just check the boxes of the items you'd like to display and uncheck the boxes of the items you wouldn't like to display. Here in preview mode, we can see the results for the default settings enabled. As you can see, the weather stack is designed to display as a little widget you can fit anywhere on your web page. It will always display the current weather for the location specified, along with an icon that matches the current weather. By default, the stack is also a link to the full forecast on Yahoo Weather. Now, let's take a more in-depth look at some of weather settings. As you may have noticed, the weather stack only displays in preview mode. This is because weather collects all its data from jQuery, which does not compile in the stack's edit mode, so don't worry if nothing's changing in edit mode. The settings are split into three groups: main settings, layout, and style options. We're going to take a look at the main settings first. The input method offers you three options on how to input the location of the forecast to display. The first option, location, is the easiest but can be temperamental for smaller towns or cities. All you have to do is enter the name of the location you like to display. The second option is zip code. Just enter the location zip code into the text box. Unfortunately, this is only available for US locations. The third option is WOE-ID. This is a special number sequence Yahoo uses to identify locations on Earth. It may look confusing at first, but is very simple. To find the WOE-ID for your location, visit the web address shown on the screen. Then, enter the location in the search box. Press lookup and find the correct location below. Go ahead and copy the WOE-ID. Paste the WOE-ID into the test container and the correct location will be showing in preview mode. Now, let's take a look at the other two settings. You can select the unit the temperatures can be displayed in, or you can select the alignment where the weather stats can be aligned on the page. Under weather layout, you can enable and disable what you'd like to display with the weather stack. So you can display the weather icon, enable the forecast link, display the location, display the temperature, and the title. Under style options, you can select the color override button. This will override the theme's colors for the text and the title. You can also make the title bold and change the text size. Thank you for watching. If you'd like more information on weather stack, or if you'd like to ask me any questions, please visit the documentation site located at the link below.